A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new update and analysis on Polygon or Matic. We'll do a full analysis on that. We'll talk briefly about the fundamentals, but then we'll also talk about the technicals, which we surely need to talk about. We've been very bullish, where we're near or almost at a major resistance level, which we have been trying to break since yesterday evening. We'll talk about whether I expect us to break that and get up to next price target. But first of all, fundamentally, Polygon is doing amazing. As most of you know, the ZK EVM is coming very soon. Hopefully I can quickly see when that's coming, because I forgot. I think it's somewhere at the I think it's like the end of February or beginning of March, something like that. I'm not sure when that. I think when did I make the video again? I think the CEO of Matic actually posted about it. All right, but we can easily find it if we do something like this. But that's coming, and that's going to be great. We already anticipated the launch in advance, and I think a big chunk of this bullish move from 75 cents, we're almost up 100% since the beginning of the year. And for a coin like Polygon, that's huge. It's right now also at place number 9. I think that's actually higher. I think it overtook Dogecoin in market cap, which is pretty great. We're now heading for Cardano. In my opinion, I mean, Matic should be worth more than Cardano, but all right. So if I can, March 27th. So I expect bullish momentum at least up until that date. Now, that bullish momentum is kind of subjective, because if the market right now turns bearish, then we will have spikes, but we will not stay in an uptrend, right? So as long as the market is stable, I expect bullish momentum from Polygon. And how high we can get is really, I mean, right now, we can still get way higher. I mean, I will keep making updates on that, and they will be short-term oriented. But in general, I really think that we can get all the way up to levels like right here around 1.75, and perhaps we can dream about $2, even though 1.85 is a stronger level before that. But that's something for the future. For now, as I said, we're near a very interesting and important resistance level around 1.45, which also houses the 382 FIB. Which is coming from a FIB extension, which is very well respected. You can see that the 2.618 is respected. The 1.618 is this one, was very respected. So in general, and I thought this trend line was funny. It's an interesting level, but it's not going to matter that much. In general, what I expect from Matic, because of the bullish momentum coming from the ZK EVM, but also because there's quite a lot of bullish momentum right now in the markets, at some point I expect us to break above 1.45 and get up to our next price target between 1.5 and 1.55, which historically is actually a pretty strong level. So from there we might actually get quite some resistance, and from there we might even retrace quite a bit all the way back down to 1.35, 1.3, which is not the end of the world, but I mean, sometimes you need retracements like that in order to get even higher. But for now, this is what I expect. Now, I have to say that we could very well still drop down ahead of that, because whether this will happen in the next 4 hours or the beginning of next week, I don't know. I think the beginning of next week really is the latest at which it will happen, just to give you a little bit of my thoughts. But as I said, resistance is strong. We found resistance there already, but it could very well be that from here we drop back down to 1.35. and to this major support level around 1.3, and that from there we'll be able to get back up and break above that and break above it next week. But altogether, it is what I expect. So that's my take on Matic for now. I think if you do have any questions, let me know. But if you do, but for now, yeah, thank you for watching and take care.